Hey everyone, it is the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I'm here with another package from AliExpress that came in. I'm gonna open it and see what it is. I have a pretty good idea of what it is, and let's get to it though. All right, here's the package. And why I said I have a pretty good idea as to what it is because right here, it says Cosplay Badge. You can see that, Cosplay Badge. And I actually bought a gift for my wife that was something in this realm. I wouldn't really consider it a cosplay badge because my wife is not really a cosplayer. But I thought when I saw it, I thought it was something that she would like. So outside the package, it's a little padded, bubble padded envelope. What's inside here is not breakable, but this is actually a little above and beyond what I was expecting. And inside we got the item here. It looks like it's wrapped in some bubble wrap. And here it is, in a little Ziploc baggie. I don't know if you can see. It is right there. This is a metal Star Trek, what do they call these things? Communicator badge? So this would have been on the lapel of a Star Trek officer. And this is what they would have tapped to communicate back to the ship, and also when they wanted to get beamed back aboard the Enterprise. So the reason I bought this for my wife is because she's a Star Trek fan, and I thought it would be fun for her to have and wear if we ever go to Comic-Cons and stuff like that. It's kind of a simple nod to something geeky, but not really like full out. But if you were a Star Trek fan and you wanted to go do some cosplay as a officer on the Enterprise or in Starfleet, this badge would do the trick. It is actually in pretty good condition. It's metal. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's metal. It looks pretty accurate. It has two pins to attach it to your outfit. I guess that means it stays in place a little better. The back side here, I don't know if you can see that, if the camera can zoom in, but it says Ruler Cosplay, whatever that means. I bought this on AliExpress from a store called Cos store, and I'll put that somewhere in the video here so you can see. Cos store is where I got this, and it was $1.79 for this, so not that expensive. Now, this item did have shipping. Every other item I've talked about from AliExpress has been free shipping. This one though, it cost $1.37 to ship it. So almost the same amount as the item, just a little cheaper to ship it. But all said and done, I got this item delivered to me for $3.16. And that is shipping and the cost of the item. So not like I broke the bank on this gift, but still a pretty cool thing. I thought it would be kind of a fun thing to have. This one here has this logo, which I believe, I'm not the Trekkie in the family, so I watched Star Trek, but I don't know all the, I think this is a command badge. They had science officer badges, they had all the different ones. There was 4 different types of these badges with different symbols, meaning your station on the crew. I believe this was a command one. I could be wrong, but yeah. And what else to tell you about it? I ordered this on March 5th, and it got here on April 1st. So under a month to get here, and that is in the midst of the pandemic that's going on. So I thought that was pretty quick time for this to get here. I ordered this in a second batch of AliExpress stuff. I'm still waiting on 2 items from the first batch to come in. and I've already received 3 items from the second batch. So you can see that the shipping time can vary, especially depending on the store that you're ordering from and what's going on in the world. I guess current world events have slowed things down. But you want to check reviews and make sure that the seller has good reviews. This had very good reviews. I believe it was 5-star reviews for all of its reviews. There wasn't a ton of reviews, but still, it gave me the confidence that this would be okay. So, with that, beam me up, Scotty.